Good afternoon, one and all. This is Ratnavalli. I'm here to tell you about working capital management today. Working capital is capital required by the firm in order to carry on its day to day operations. It is also known as net current assets. It is the difference between the current assets and current liabilities. Before you see the formula here, I want to explain you about what is a current asset and what is a current liability. A current asset is the one which can be converted into the cash within the period of 1 year, and a current liability is the one which is to be repaid back within the period of 1 year. So, working capital management refers to management of inventory, management of receivables, and management of cash. Why is working capital significant here? ఎందుకు వర్కింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు రన్ ద యాక్టివిటీస్ ప్రాపర్లీ అండ్ టు మానిటర్ ద లిక్విడిటీ పొజిషన్ అండ్ సాల్వెన్సీ పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్. లిక్విడిటీ పొజిషన్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే whether the firm is able to earn the profits or not, whether it is having the generation of cash or not, to see that. And solvency position ante enti ante whether it is ready to repay back the amounts to the required people or not. That is known as solvency position. And it is significant because investment in current assets represents a substantial portion of your total investment. అంటే ఏంటి, కరెంట్ అసెట్స్ని జనరేట్ అయిన రెవెన్యూస్ వల్ల మీరు ఫర్మ్లో లాంగ్ రన్లో ఫిక్స్డ్ అసెట్స్లో ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసి అగైన్ యూ క్యాన్ జనరేట్ ద క్యాష్ ఫ్రమ్ దోస్ ఆపరేషన్స్. And large holdings of cash can reduce the firm's profitability. So here the firm has to see that it is neither investing more amounts or nor investing the inadequate funds in the organization. ఎందుకంటే ఇన్సఫిషియంట్ ఫండ్స్ కనుక ఎంప్లాయ్ చేస్తే ఫర్మ్లో అది ప్రొడక్షన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అప్పుడు. అలాగే ఎక్సెస్ ఫండ్స్ కనుక ఎంప్లాయ్ చేస్తే ఫర్మ్లో ఆ ఫండ్స్ అన్నీ ఐడిల్ ఫండ్స్ అయిపోయి ఫర్మ్కి ప్రాఫిట్స్ తగ్గిపోతాయి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ the significance of working capital. And next you're going to see about the components of working capital. As you know that here I told you working capital refers to the net current assets. So current assets include cash in hand, cash at bank, inventory, bills receivable, debtors, and prepaid expenses, and short-term securities. All these are the examples of your current assets. And now coming to the concepts of working capital, you are having two concepts of working capital: gross working capital and net working capital. So gross working capital అంటే ఏంటంటే total current assets or your gross working capital. And I already told you that current assets means assets which can be converted in terms of cash within the period of 1 year, and they include the cash, short-term securities, debtors, bills receivable, and stocks. And here the firm has to see that they focus on the current assets management. It should neither be excessive nor should be inadequate. If it is excessive, then as I told you that it will be having the idle funds. And if it is inadequate here, then it may not be able to meet the firm's requirements. So ఇక్కడ కరెంట్ అసెట్స్లో చేసే ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఎలా ఉండాలి అంటే ఆప్టిమమ్గా ఉండాలి. అండ్ నౌ every firm requires different amounts of capital here, and accordingly working capital requirements also will be changing accordingly. వర్కింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే ఒక ఫర్మ్ నుంచి ఒక ఫర్మ్కి వ్యారీ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఫైనాన్స్ మేనేజర్స్ హ్యాస్ టు సీ దట్ what are the sources of working capital, how much of funds they have to employ, and where they have to employ these funds. All these have to be taken care of by the finance managers. And one more concept of working capital is now net working capital. Net working capital is the difference between the current assets and current liabilities. Just now you have seen about the current assets. Now current liabilities are the ones which can be repaid back within the period of 1 year. And they include bills payable, creditors, short-term provisions, etc. These are all called as the current liabilities. And this net working capital will be indicating the liquidity position of the firm. Okay, so this is for today. You practice this and you write the assignment and submit